Hello guys. Light green color, yellow color, dark green color, sky blue color, dark blue color, violet color, red color, brown color, black color, orange color, purple color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. Capital letters, small letters. A for aeroplane. A for ant. B for blueberry. B for banana. C for cucumber. C for cabbage. D for dolphin. D for dog. E for elephant. E for eggplant. F for flowers. F for fruits. G for grapes. G for glass. H for hat. H for heart. I for insect. I for iron. J for jelly. J for jellyfish. K for king. K for kingfisher. L for lollipop. L for lemon. M for mango. M for moon. N for nose. N for nuts. O for ox. O for oxygen. P for parrot. P for pen. Q for queen. Q for quilt. R for rainbow. R for rose. S for sky. S for strawberry. T for toy. T for train. U for uniform. U for universe. V for vanilla. V for van. W for wax. W for water. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Y for yak. Z for zero. Z for zipper. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.